Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
Go to the Reports on the navigation bar. Select TOMS Summative Assessments. Click the Generate Report button. Open the TOMS downloaded Excel file. Save the file on your desktop. Send this file to your testing coordinator. This file can be directly uploaded to the TOMS website.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss further updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.